Hello guys, welcome to to the Stellar Enterprise clothing brand channel. My name is Mario. I'm the owner of the clothing brand, the Stellar one, and the owner of the YouTube channel. And I want to welcome you to another video that I'm gonna show my two samples for the price of one. I got two samples for the price of one. You know how that crazy it is? It's amazing. And the fact that the sample is not really that expensive, but to a point to have get two samples for the price of one for a promotion, man. A promotion is crazy, crazy. I'm gonna show the samples right now, but I just want to introduce myself. Uh, I actually work. I'm a student and I work. I also almost almost got in my driver license. So, and right now in the look. I'm looking for models to Photoshop my clothing brand. So if you see yourself as a person who wants to be part of this project, just comment below this video, and I'm gonna message you and I'm gonna text you. Just send me your name, your age, where you're from, what you do. And we're gonna talk. We're gonna be on talks. We're gonna do some photo shooting. You're gonna be on my clothing brand. You're gonna be a model for my clothing brand. If you guys want it, man. I'm looking for models. So if you see yourself qualified as one, just go. Just comment below, okay? Let's go to the samples. So I got two samples for the price of one. The two samples, sadly, both of them are black. I wish it would be one black, one white. It would be crazy. It would be crazy. I got like that, but now I got two black ones. I got a black faded one, and I got a black original one, and they are perfect. They are the the design is perfect. The meters, the everything is crazy. Everything is crazy. Like they really follow my details to a point that even exceed my imagination. I I didn't hope it would be like that. We got like that. It's just crazy. It's just crazy. All right. I'm gonna show the first one that came first. Is a black faded hoodie. I'm gonna show you right now. So if you see the hoodie, this is the black faded one. Yeah, it's amazing. You're gonna see like stellar printed on here. I really want it this big. Like, if it's big for you guys, I want it to be this big for you to see the name of my clothing brand called Stellar Enterprise. Bro, it's amazing fit. It is just the front, and the hoodie is actually perfect because this hoodie protects you for the rain. Literally protects you for the rain. And in this time that I have in like it's really being rainy, and the only thing that I use is this hoodie. Like I put a t-shirt below, and that's it. That's it. Literally, that's it. I put this hoodie. This hoodie protects me for the rain. It's incredible. So you can see that it's a quick dryer. Literally, it is just a front. It's just a front. You're gonna see the back right now. Ta-da! If you see like you're gonna see perfection, man. You're gonna see perfection. Like, look at this. Look at this logo. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this beautiful thing. Like, perfection. Perfection personified. Perfection. It says stellar. It has the image. It has the parental advisement. Plus 4 months. Plus 80. Plus 80. The little world thingy. The arrows. Like, perfect. Perfect. This is the black faded one. The next I'm gonna show you it's a black original one. The original thing that I wanted to come. You guys gonna love it. You guys gonna love it. Now China, look, original black original. This is the original hoodie from my clothing brand. This is the original one. It says almost the same thing, stellar, but the color is different. Like, this is all black. It's so beautiful. You can almost use it for anything and everything. If you see it on the back, you're gonna see like this. You can see like everything, everything. Work to the last, to the minimum details, like perfection personified. Perfection personified. And this is my original one. This is really my original one. This one, I put all my heart to make this hoodie. Really, for real. For real, I put my heart in this hoodie. Now, there's another thing I talk about. You saw those boot hoodies, right? One of them is a really larger than one. So the original black one is supposed to be a S, and the faded hoodie is supposed to be a M. Really, a M for real. A M. It looks too big, right? But it's up to my side because I train. I'm a online fitness trainer too, but it was supposed to be used for my methods. So this for me. But in case that you buy this hoodie, you're gonna buy it anyways. I know you're gonna buy it. Nah, I'll play. I'll play. But I know that you're gonna love to see wearing this because I made this hoodie for people to feel good about themselves and for other people to have another variety of clothing to their closet. So I hope you guys love this video that I made and the hoodies because this is just the beginning of my clothing brand. This is the second part of my project. The third one is gonna be seeing you using this. I'm gonna be working like hell to see you guys wearing this. So subscribe to the channel for more videos like this and give a likes and thumbs up to the video right now.